So, regarding ESG opportunities within lubricants, maintenance, and testing, there's opportunities that are often overlooked there. And I say you can't really be halfway in on an initiative, but quite often the lubricant maintenance and testing programs out there are really halfway where they could be. And as a consequence of that, the systems don't generate the confidence or even the data to support a decision where you could extend the life of a lubricant with really no risk to the user whatsoever. But because of the lack of the fully implemented programs, the decision makers don't have the information they need to be making those decisions. So I think just taking those programs and expanding them to their maximum potential will put the stones in place that you need to build out the program to its maximum potential, which would then allow you to say double, triple oil life, even scale back how much lubricant testing you need to do, which sounds like a crazy thing. But rather than doing half the tests that you need on a monthly basis, which is really where we're at, is to say, well, let's do a full test package every 3 months. And then the compounded effect of more extensive testing, but less often in combination with a fully executed program, and will put you in a position where you can double, triple the life of your lubricants and have huge ESG opportunities.